Okay. So today we are going to see about some features about this turtle module. Turtle module. About turtle we are going to see, and we are going to see how to make a snake game. Small snake game we are going to make by using turtle. Okay. So I guess you have played this snake game. Yes, Chandu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have played, right? So to make this snake game, what are the things is required? Can you tell me? Things required.
We have one snake and ball.
Things required. So one is snake.
Yes, sir. And a dot ball.
Okay.
Four sides of walls. Concrete wall.
So we may see what are the things required. Let's understand first that, and then we'll start doing the code. Okay. So we in general, as a general, what we need is we need a screen. Screen is required. Oh,
Yes, sir. Report.
screen అవసరం కదా. And second one is ఒక పెద్ద screen. After screen, what we need? We need head. Snake head
Body.
కావాలి కదా. Snake ఒక head. అంటే snake. So directly it will not be become so big things, right? So for example, this is a head. Again, after eating this something, it will become again big like this. పెద్దగా అవుతూ ఉంటది కదా. So screen we need. On that screen we are going to make a snake. So in general whatever comes in your mind you can tell. Snake you said. Okay, second one, what is required for second one?
Ball.
Huh?
Ball.
Score. And third one is food, right? Snake food. Are ball. In the fourth
Yes.
one, what is the fourth one? Movement,
Oh,
right? Snake ఒక
mom.
movement కావాలి కదా.
Sir.
Snake movements. తర్వాత after that snake has to become big also, right? Snake should become big. When it will become big?
Need to
After
eat the
having
food.
the food, yes. And sixth one, scoreboard. On the score we have to display what? Score means highest score. Highest score, yeah. So snake score food, again snake movements. After that ఇంకేం కావాలి?
Wall. Concrete wall. Border.
Yeah, movement we have written. So all these things are required, right? Now we also required something like speed. ఎంత స్పీడ్ తోటి పోవాలి అది. Yes. So these are the things in general we want everything, all this, but technically what exactly we need is I will be showing you. So just check it here. So this is the game we are going to make. Is it visible? Yes, Chandu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, so before we are going to see this, but before this I wanted you to just check whether you can able to check the version of the Python in your CMD. Check by this. Wherever the Python file you have, the file ekkadaithe download chesavo, in C folder, in C drive, if it is Python 3.10 or 3.12, then you have to check like this: Python space 2 hyphens version. After that you have to use what? Python space hyphen yum and space turtle. This I will show you practically also, but I wanted you to take a pic of this and try from your end also. Okay. Yes, Chandu.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now you see here. So we have 3 libraries. What we have? 3 libraries. First one is turtle random time. Turtle means what? It gives us what? like some presentations we can make by this, or some graphical user interfaces we can make, like we can give some motions. Random means what? A random kind of sequence we can generate by this. And time, to make it slow or make it speed. So we are importing how many modules? 3 modules. Now we are initializing all this with this, with what we are initializing. Starting delay with 0.1, score is 0, obviously highest score is also 0. And why we are taking bodies? And bodies we are taking in what? Empty list. In this empty list, I wanted to store all the snake body. Okay, so these are the variables. Now after this, we need to set up the screen. For the screen, I'm writing what? Some statements. This is for turtle dot screen. So in this, automatically everything is there inbuilt. So now we are writing the name of the screen, like which one we are going to have, snake game. Then what is this? Background color will be gray. Setup width, how much the width and height of the screen will be. So this is totally set up the screen setting up. Then creating the snake head we are going to create. Okay, after that, what would be the speed of the head? Then again, shape, color, filling color, pen up and go to. Pen up means what? Pen up means it will move, but it should not it should not display that it is moving. So this is one of the method. And go to means exactly the direction where it has to go. And then stop we are giving. And this is about food, creating the food. In this also we have so many things. This will discuss when I'm writing the code. Now creating the scoreboard is required, right? And these are the coordinates. Which coordinate we have to write the scoreboard. Now defining the movements, we have to define the movements, right? Up movement, down movement, right and left, stop. And what it is, defining the move, how we are going to move, in which direction. So already we have discussed this up and down, but exactly how it should happen, how it should be. So for that reason we are using what? Y direction, X direction, all this. Now next one is event handling. So what is the meaning of this event handling? If I'm pressing the upper arrow or down arrow, what should happen? Yes. Now main loop. In this main loop, what we are setting? We are setting the all the coordinates. So the head should move where? So if I'm moving from this side, it should come from this side. That's all. Again, collision with the food. If there is a food, if it is colliding, then what is happening? So it should be like less than 20 distance. And then increase, how it should, after colliding, how it should increase the length of the snake. This is written for this code for that. And again, we are increasing the score also. Whenever it is colliding with one, it should increase the score. And also updating the highest score. Okay. And then snake's body segment are updated to the tail. Means where it has to get added. The tail has to become big. Then again in this what is happening here is everything should be moving at same place, like same way it has to move. It should not move like a head is going somewhere and tail is going somewhere, then it will not be in a order. Then this is collision with the snake body, how the body should be. And then hide the bodies. So it means what? All the body should not be having a different colors. So we are making it as one. And then update the score. We are ending the main loop. So this is what. So Chandu, have you understood something?
Sir.
Something you got understood, right? Something like what is happening, how the snake is. So fine.
Yes.
Now first thing is what we will do is I will show you. See here. I went into here it is where it is my C drive. I went to C drive. I have my Python here. I'm opening it, and then I'm clicking on CMD. CMD. I clicked yes. Now here, what you need to do is you just need to write Python hyphen version. see, my Python version is 3.9.7. Can you tell me what is yours?
Wait, sir.
Okay.
After go to C drive, we have to check Python, sir.
Where is your Python? Where is your Python folder? That you need to check now.
I think my fault is 3.10, sir. Using.
Okay, but version you can able to check like this.
We go to the command prompt and we have to do.
You have to go to command prompt, but not exact directly command prompt. First, you have to choose the path, na. See, once again, showing. See, whenever you are executing one Python file, na, then you can see that where exactly it is. Like for example, here it is. IDLE you open,
And
IDLE, and again control N, like print hi. Okay, just save this file. So where it is getting saved, that is the path. So for example, if I'm writing hi, so I'm saving it. Okay, so where it is getting saved, this PC C drive, under C drive it has Python 10 folder there. Yes. Okay, so I wanted you to try that. Hello. Oh. Yes, Chandu, you got it.
yes, sir.
So see here also we have, see above, you can see here, right, above the file we have hi.py, again C colon
Sir,
forward
I
slash.
got check.
Yes,
Point 10 point.
you got it.
Yes.
So after going there, here you have to you have to type out cmd. You up to here you got. Now
Yes, sir.
Python hyphen
Version
version, huh? So what is your version?
3.10.2.
Okay, after that what we have here, we have one more thing. What it is? Python space hyphen yum and turtle. So that we need to check. Where is that command prompt? What we need to check? Python space yum, Python space hyphen yum turtle. So once you type this command, and you will get this kind of interface. Are you getting?
Sir, getting.
It means what? It is already there. So turtle is already there. This is used for what? Graphics. So we no need to externally install this. Okay, so you
Okay,
can
sir.
close this. Hmm. Okay, so you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when you got it, now let's start doing the code. And I wanted you also to do the exactly same whatever I'm doing. Okay, now? Yes. So we are going to do this code. Now here I'm going to make this little bigger. 20 is fine. So first step, what is the first step? We have to initialize the variables, right? Yes, Chandu, you remembered?
Yes, sir.
But before that, what we need to do is we need to import. What are the things you have to import? Turtle.
Okay.
We have to import random, and we have to import what? Time. Yes. Once we have imported, now what we need to do? We need to start. These are the modules. These are the modules we have imported. Now after this, what we have to import is no need to import. Now we need to declare the variables, assign the variables. Delay, I'm taking delay 0.1. I'm taking. After this score, initially the score will be 0. Highest score is equal to 0. Then again body. This bodies I'm taking what? Bodies is equal to what? Empty list. Okay. So up to here it is clear for you.
Yes, sir.
So what I can do here is I can write this is for variables initialization. And here what we are having here, this is importing modules, importing relevant modules. Okay, up to here it is done. Now what we need to do? Now we need to set up the screen. Now how we have to set up the screen? Yes, is equal to turtle dot screen turtle dot screen. Now what we need to give? We need to give the title, right? Yes dot title title. Again, for example, if you wanted to give anything, you can give here. For example, if I'm giving Vivek Pandey. Okay. Now yes dot setup. These all are methods. Now width is equal to, I'm giving like 600, comma, height is equal to also 600. Now this is my screen part is done. Now I wanted to check whether how my screen looks. Let me execute this. You can able to see the screen. Yes, Chandu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you can able to see your name of my screen is Vivek Pandey. So
Yes, sir.
there you can keep any name also. You can keep like snake game, so you can
Yes,
close
sir.
this one. So it is up to here, it is perfectly working, right? For you also, you are doing still.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so screen we are done. Now what we need to make? We need to make what? Turtle head we need to make. So now let's see. This is head, creating head. How to create head? Just head is equal to, head is a variable. In this variable, what we are assigning? Turtle dot turtle. Turtle. Yes. After this, now I need to give the speed also, right? For the head, we need to give speed. Head dot speed is 0 initially. Then I need to give the shape also, right? Head dot shape. Head dot shape. In this shape, I'm giving what? Square. Square. Now head dot square I given. Now again head dot. Wait, is it visible or not? Or should I make it big?
Sir, yes.
Now it's okay.
Yes.
Uh, Now head dot shape. Shape we are giving, like for the head, what is the shape? Yeah. Now we need to give the color also. Head dot color color. Remember, like color something like that. So here let's keep white. White. Now done with this. Now after this, what we need to do? We need to fill the color. Fill color is different one. Head dot fill color. Now in this I'm taking blue. Blue. Yeah, that is done. Now what I need to do is head dot. There is one more method. We have few more methods like pen up. Pen up. So what is the meaning of this pen up? For example, if my turtle is here, for example, this is my turtle J. J should go what? J should go from here to here, right? Now J will come here. Now J will not be here. So this tracing will not be there. This tracing should not appear. So for that we are using what? Pen up tool. So pen up, and then we are using what? Coordinates. Head dot go to 0 comma 0 starting. Again what we have? Direction. Starting it is what? Direction. So direction is equal to what? Stop. Starting we are giving stop. So now let's check whether it is working or not. So we designed what? Head also we designed. Control yes, save it, execute. Now did we got our head?
Sir,
Yes. Is it moving anywhere? No, right? This head is not moving anywhere. This head is not moving. So this head speed is also 0 now. Square in shape and blue in color. Fill up, and then now here, for example, if I'm making it a circle, will it be circle? Let's see.
yes, sir.
Circle. Is it circle? Yes.
Sir,
Now let it be as a square. Square. Fine. So now we have designed what? Head. Head is done. Now next, what is the next point? Head
one,
is done.
one scroll
Now
up,
we need
sir.
to arrange. We need. Okay. Up to head. Huh?
Up to fill colors.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now once head is done, now we need to create food also. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Is it done or still you are taking?
Done, sir.
You are typing the command?
Yes, sir. Very
Okay. Take a minute of time.
good. Okay. are done, sir.
Done.
Yes.
Now what we need to do? We need to write a code for what?
Moment.
Food. Yes. Let's write the code for food. Up to here it is done. So here for food. Food. Now for food also what we need to do? We need to take a variable with food. Food is equal to, for everything we have to take turtle. Turtle dot turtle. Yeah, we are creating object for all. Food dot speed. Food of the speed is 0. Now food dot shape. What is the shape we need to give? Square only. Square. Again food dot color. For color what we need to give? Blue. Then for this also it is required pen up tool. Or we'll give green. Green. Food dot pen up. Food dot ht means hiding. We are hiding it. Food dot go to.
Pen up means what, sir?
Yeah.
Pen up, pen up.
Pen up means,
Hmm.
yeah, see for example paint is there na here. I'll explain you here. Screen size full Z. Okay. File image properties. Huh. So now pen up means what? For example, I have here. From here I'm going. Okay. I reach to here. Yes. Now from here again I'm going. I'm moving from here. Yes. Now from here again I'm going here. So this is what a turtle is moving, right? From here to here. This turtle is now here. Now after some time, this turtle will go from here. It will go here. Again, it will go here, there. Okay. So now see the turtle is revolving here and there. Is there any line is being drawn?
No, sir.
Earlier, this line is being drawn, right? So that line should not be drawn. Understood? So that is the reason we are using what pen up.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, after this, we have go to, yes. Now after that, what we have, we need to use here food dot go to is done 0. In this go to, what we have to use here 0 comma 200. So this is what coordinates. So where it is, where it has to be. So simple, you can keep any number also. Now after this, what we need to write here is food dot est. Now let's see whether how this is going to work. Yes, is there any difference? There is something, some error I got. What is the error? At the line number, which line we got the error? 24. So when we have the error, we need to go and select the show line numbers. And what is the number? 24. So 24, this is. So what is the error? This is the error, but exactly the same. Everything is turtle food is equal to turtle. Okay, spelling, you can see the spelling. T
TUR TR
uh,
with TLV.
T U R turtle. Now, yes. Now you can find some difference. Now can you tell me in this which one is food and which one is snake head?
So blue one is snake head, sir.
This
Green one is
green
food.
color one is what?
Food
Green color is food. Yes. So we have created what? Food.
is head and food.
Yes. You also have typed all this.
Yes, sir.
So we'll go with the next one then. So now what we need to create? Scoreboard.
Movement.
Huh?
Movement.
Sorry.
Movement, sir. Movement. Direction.
Movements. That is okay. But let's create the scoreboard also. Na?
Sir.
SB is equal to what? Turtle dot turtle object we have created. Now again for the scoreboard also we need to give some shape, right? Shape. Here what is the shape you have to give? Square is okay. Now we have to give the color also. Fill color. Any color you can give, but I'm giving black. Scoreboard for the black is okay, fine. Now here again, SB dot pin up and SB dot HT. HT is for hiding.
I got a error in the food block, sir.
Yeah,
I got error in food block.
you got.
Error in food block, sir.
Oh, you got error in food, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will show you once we are done with the scoreboard. HT done. Now go to has now I'm fixing its coordinate. You know, like x coordinate, we have y coordinate.
Yes.
Yeah, so like this, we are fixing the coordinate where it has to be. So I'm taking out minus 250 and comma minus 250. 250. Okay. Now after this, I need to write something, right? SB dot write. So what it has to be written? Now, for example, it has to be written like this: score colon 0 and then highest score colon 0. Now up to here it is done. Scoreboard. Let's see what is happening here. Did I got scoreboard also? Can you able to see scoreboard?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Down up. Down. Yes, sir.
See here it is a scoreboard. Here score is 0 and then highest score is 0. Both are 0 0. So in this, what are the things you have created so far, Chandu?
Yes, sir. We created a snake. We created food. We created a scoreboard.
Perfect. And now you are saying you are having some doubt. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
where is your doubt? And just check. I'm giving you 1 minute of a time for food.
Yes, sir. I typed same sir, but
Hmm?
it showing error.
What is the error? Which line and what is the name of the error?
It's showing attribute error.
Huh?
Turtle has no attribute. Turtle. Did you mean turtle? Capital. It's asking
Capital T
about
you are
small.
missing.
No, sir. I mentioned capital T only.
Once you can you share your screen once.
No, sir.
Yeah, share your screen once. Are you sharing?
Yes, sir.
It is allowing you to share, or should I need to do any change from my side?
Yes, sir. Always, sir. Screen release.
Okay, you already shared. Yes. So turtle dot screen. What is this? A TI title you have written. Show me the error now.
Getting
24 line, right? So same thing, I think. TUR or TL turtle. No, 24 line. Go to this. Go to your code, and first you click on options. No
sir.
options is there, right? Click on options.
Options. Okay.
Uh, show line numbers.
Show code content.
Huh? No, show line numbers. Huh? Now 24. Where is 24? Huh?
Here.
TURTLE. TUR. You written correct only, na?
Yes, sir.
Have you saved? Control yes. Save that code. Control yes. Now execute.
Yes, sir. Same again. I'm getting it.
You are getting same error. So now let's
Yes.
see. Yeah, what is the error? Make it the screen bigger once. Okay. So what is the error we are getting in 29? Food is equal to
Before.
line 24. That is fine. But what is that? Food is equal to turtle dot capital T you have written.
Yes, sir.
And attribute error. That attribute error once you come down now, it is not visible because of this. Object has no attribute turtle. Now it's okay. Attribute error you are getting. Turtle. Object has no attribute turtle. Do you mean turtle? So just get back to this code. Hmm. Food is equal to TURTL turtle dot capital T TURTLE turtle. Yeah, that's correct, right? Direction also you given correct only, and food also you have given correct only. Importing import turtle random screen. Okay, once you copy the everything, copy and open it in another one, another file.
I'm going to have to create new ones.
Like new file. Paste it, save it, save. Run. It will ask you to save. Write any name. Dot py.
No, no nonsense, sir. It
No.
automatically saves with that.
Yeah.
It automatically saves with that.
Okay. Okay.
Document.
It's you're
Again,
getting
same error, sir.
same error.
Yes, sir. Object has no attribute turtle. The domain turtle.
Mhm. Okay, get back to the code once. This screen, how this screen come? Because of that, na?
I
Hmm.
had here it will be right from myself.
One head,
This
huh?
one. Yes, sir. Head equal to total
No, no.
two
Actually, in the head also you have made some mistake.
times line number two.
Head is equal to turtle dot turtle.
Equal to not there.
Just remove all those. I'm telling you, turtle, small t, turtle dot turtle. That's it. Now you execute this code, save it.
Correct.
Now you got. So the error was not in 24. The error was in previous line,
Started
on
to
line only.
mention.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
Yes. Is it done?
yes, sir, ma'am.
Why you have written that extra things?
Not extra things, sir. Next code.
Now that's fine. Now you stop the sharing. Is it done?
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay. So now what we have to do is this is done. I'm closing it. Where I was, now what we need to do, this is done. So up to here scoreboard I got. After scoreboard, now we need to decide, right? Like when to move up, move down. So for that we have some functions. Def,
I'm
move
not
up.
able to see your screen.
My screen is okay. I need to share my screen,
Not
right?
able.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here we have some functions. Now we need to understand the functions. Move, def means def is a function and the name is move up. We are moving up. When we have to move up, if we are writing on condition, if head dot direction is not equal to down, is not equal to what? Down. If it is not down, then where it has to move? It has to move up, right? Head dot direction is equal to up. Up. So return this code. Yeah. So if a head direction is not equal to down, అది down కానప్పుడు అది up వెళ్ళాలి. Okay. So these are the functions. Now this is the which function, this is moving up. Next one is def. In the same way we have to write what? Move down. So what I'm doing is total one, total how many? Up, down, left, right, stop. Total five. So five times we'll copy and paste. Okay. So just I'm copying this, control C, control V. So five times, but we have up, down, left, and right. So four times only. Fifth time I will tell you what to do. Total how many times I did? One, two, three, four. Four times done. Hide this one. Okay. Up to here it is done. Now second one, what we need to write here is if it is up, move the name is down, down, down. It means what? If the head direction is not up, not up, then where it is? Down, right? Down. These things we need to change. And here also. Third one, left, left. So if it is not right, right కానప్పుడు left కదా. then here it is left, left, and here move right. Then here what we can expect, if it is not left, then it will be right. Yeah, up to here I wanted you to just write it. Take a minute of time. And this also will add one. Stop, for stop, move, stop. These are the methods. Head dot direction is equal to stop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 functions take a minute of time. Done, Chandu? You are there, right? Chandu.
Sir, doing, sir, doing.
Okay. And Devender, you are also doing? So just you have to copy paste and change this ups and downs.
Done, sir.
Yeah, is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if it is done, now let's try to execute what is happening. Is there anything anything happening here? No, right? Nothing. Nothing is happening as of now. Everything is same. So if when I'm whenever I'm pressing this up arrow, right arrow, down arrow, nothing is happening. So now just we have assigned the values like for this direction where it has to go, but we have not added the movements yet. Okay. Now what we need to do here is we need to add some movements, coordinates. Now here def move in this if head dot direction is equal to what, up. If the head direction is up, then what it has to be done. So for this you need to understand this one point here. The point is coordinates. I guess you know the coordinates, right? From here to here, x-axis coordinate, y-axis coordinate. From here to here, this is one more. So what we can say, this one, this is
Q1,
y-axis.
Q2, Q3. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is what? This is positive x-axis. This is negative x-axis. This is positive. Upper one is positive y-axis. Yeah. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
x comma y. Yeah, x comma y. And in this is what we can write here. This
Minus x
is
comma
minus x comma y.
y.
So write this one. This here what it
Minus
will
x
be?
minus x minus y.
X comma minus minus y. And here
X comma minus.
minus y. Yes, for example, x comma minus y. So this is a coordinate. So now what is happening here is up. Whenever we are going up, move, we are defining this. So if head dot direction is equal to up, in this case y. So this is colon, then y is equal to what the y has to be done, head dot y coordinate, cor coordinate. This is a method. Okay, that's it. Now head dot, now what we need to set y. How we are going to set the y plus 20. So that is a distance, how much distance we are going to set. Now let's try to execute this once and check something is happening or not. Anything is happening? Still nothing. Because why nothing is happening here? We are just giving this how much it has to move up and which coordinate it has to go. Up means what? Y coordinate. But we have not linked it with a upper key or a sidebar key. So that's the reason we are still writing the code. It's not showing any reactions. So now what we need to do here is I will just we need to just copy paste everything, but before that it will be confusing. So let's write like this only. If head dot direction, if it is equal to what? Down. So in the down, what it has to happen? In down, what will be happening? Down means what? Down means again it is y. Left
Y.
and right it is x. Up and down it is y. So when it is y is equal to same. Y is equal to head dot y coordinate. Now here head dot set y. We are setting y. How much? Y minus.
20.
Correct. In the same way we need to do with the if head dot direction equal to what? Left. For the left, what we need to do? X is equal to head dot x coordinate. In this coordinate, that's it. Now we need to set it. We have to set the coordinate. How to set? Head dot set x minus 20. Now what is remaining? Direction equal to right. Now x is equal to head dot x coordinate. Now head dot set x plus 20. So have you written all this up to here?
Yes, sir. But typing.
Written?
Typing, sir. Typing.
Okay, you are writing. Once you are done, just inform me.
Done, sir.
Now let's try to execute if something is happening or not. Let's see. Anything? Nothing, right? No, because we have not handled the events. So we have something called event handling. Yeah. This is event handling. Now, what happens in the event handling? Yes dot listen. Now, in this event handling, what is the meaning of up, down? So it will on the keyboard whenever I'm typing this up and down, it should have some reaction. It should have some impact on it. So yes dot on key on key. How to move? Move up, comma. Here we are writing what up. After this, yes dot. So everything is same, but we need to change this up and down, move left like that. So yes dot key. Here what it is? Move up.
Down.
After up, what we have down. Yes, and here it is down. Okay. Now yes dot on key. Move left.
Left.
Here it is
Right.
left.
Next.
Yeah, left. Again yes dot on key. Move right, and here it is right. Right. Now one more is yes dot on key. Move stop. Stop means what? Space, just empty space. So now let's see whether it is working or not. Up to here we have done the event handling. Is it working?
No.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Showing some errors.
Yeah.
It's showing some errors, sir.
Some error, yes. What is the error it is showing? Yes. So it is showing in what are the lines it is showing?
72.
72. Starting it is 72 only, na? 72 line. Okay. Again 76 line also. Line 417, no. Okay. Now this up. Let me make this up small capital. This is down. This is left. This is right. Space. That's it. Any errors?
No, no,
Are we getting any error now?
no, sir.
No. So it is inbuilt. We need to write that up and down in a capitals. But it is still not moving. Okay. So we have given, but still it is not moving because the coordinate we have not fixed it. We have told that it should move x plus 20, y plus 20. But exactly when it will move, when the main loop will run, at that time it will. So up to now nothing, but there is no error. You also done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now let's see the main loop. From here, whatever the things we have to repeat, that everything should be written in main loop. Main loop. While we are taking it as true, and there is a method called update. It is going to update everything inbuilt. And in this, we are taking what condition? If head dot, if the head dot x coordinate is greater than 290. So why we are doing this is, if for example, if the snake comes here at the last, it should come from again from this side. From up means it should come from down side. So like this, coordinate, then head dot set x. How to set the x? Minus 290. Minus 290. So if it is extreme left, it should come from the right. That is what the point here. Now again here, if head dot x coordinate, if the x coordinate is less than minus 290, now what will happen? Head dot set x. For what we need to set the x? 290. Yes. So it means, what is the meaning of this? If it is greater than 290, means positive side, this side, then it should come from, we need to set the x coordinate up to from here, and if the x is going here, it should come from here. So that's what it's happening here. Now if head dot, now we are going with the y coordinate is greater than, here also it is the same, 290, then head dot set y. What we are setting? Minus 290. Yeah. One more thing. Head dot y coordinate, it is less than what? Minus 290. Then we are setting head dot set y 290. Yes, up to here we have written the logic. This is for what? If it is going, so what I mean to say is, I will explain you in this paint. For example, this is, yeah, this is my snake. If it is going up to here, if it is going, now from where it should start? If it is going this extreme, so my snake should be coming from this side, right? From here.
Yes.
If it is going from here, it should come from here, and if it is going from here up, then from where it has to come? This is the wrong diagram. This one is the correct one.
Yes,
From here it
upside.
has,
Upside. Yes.
no, from downside. So this is what the main coordinates we have written. So now let's see. Control yes. Anything is happening now? You just see any error we got?
No, sir.
No. Up to here we did not got any error. That's fine. Now let's go with the next one. What is next? We how to collide with the food. When there is a food is present, how to collision with the food, we need to understand. If head dot distance, food is less than 20. So whenever it is less than, distance is less than 20, at that time it has to do the collision. So x is equal to random dot rand in, no, minus 290 comma 290. So it is saying that in this code, what is the meaning of this code is, if the food is less than 20 distance, so what is happening? the x coordinate, yeah, from from this 290 to minus 290 to 290, in that coordinate it should be present. Y is equal to also the same, random dot rand in minus 290, 290, yes. Now what we need to do, we have to go right at that position in x and y direction, it has to go. So for that, food dot go to where x comma y. So whenever it is less than 20, what it is happening, it should move towards this. Okay, so it should check where it is exactly. It is in the x or y. Yeah. Have you written this collision one?
Yes, sir. Right.
Now, after this collision, what we need to do is we need to increase what? We need to increase the foot, increase the length of the snake. So how we can do that? Increase increase the length of the snake. So we are increasing the length of the snake where in this if condition only. So how we are doing that? Let's see. Body we are going to increase, right? Body is equal to turtle dot turtle. This is object. After this, body dot speed is 0 initially. We are creating what? The body of the snake. We have created already what? A head. Body dot speed is done. Pen up. Speed and pen up is done. Body dot color red. Body dot fill color black. Now what I need to do all this, I need to append, I need to add where one list I have created, right? Empty list. And that empty list name is what? Bodies. Bodies dot append. And what we are appending, this body object, body. So all these things we have done. Now up to here it is done. Now let's see what is happening. Are we getting any error or not? Control yes. Yeah. Any errors? Yes. You got any errors? For me, no.
No, sir. I did not write the code till then.
Okay. So you are typing now?
Sir.
Okay, make it fast. Up to here we are done. Still getting recorded, right?
sir, I'm getting error. Space.
Getting some error.
In line 83, use space, no sir. Showing space.
Oh,
Have to type space or just a space, sir.
where 80?
Line 83.
83,
Space,
is
sir.
a
In your
76.
70.
Just space, small s.
Smallest, sir. Capital S. Yes, sir.
Any error?
No, no, sir.
No error, right? So up to here we have done with the bodies. Now after this, what we have to do is we need to increase the scores. Increase score. We need to increase the score, right? So how to increase the score? S score plus equal to 10. By 10 we have to increase the score. I guess you know what is the meaning of this plus and equal to, yeah?
Yes, sir.
The meaning is score is equal to score plus 10. Fine. Now delay. How much delay it has to be? Like delay minus equal to 0.001. So how much delay it has to be? That's what. Now after this, we need to also update what highest score.
Delay dot equal to, sir.
This is minus.
Minus, sir.
Delay is equal to delay minus this. Yeah. Now after this, we need to update what highest score. Update highest score. So score if score is greater than highest score, if score is greater than the highest score, then what we are doing, highest score means whatever the score is there, that is assigned in highest score. Okay, so spellings you should be careful. HEIGHGHEST. Yeah. After this, what we need to do is we need to, what is this SB dot clear? What is SB? Scoreboard. SB means scoreboard, right? Already we have defined this. Scoreboard dot, we are going to write. So what we are going to write, just observe here. We need to make some changes here. Scoreboard. In this formatting, we have to do score colon, yes, braces, like this, curly braces, highest score colon, again curly braces, dot format score, inside this comma. Up to here, it's you are done. Yes, do it.
done, sir.
Is it done?
Yeah, done, sir.
Now we need to check the length of the bodies. So now what exactly and where exactly we need to place them. So up to here we are done. So just you need to type on tab here. Yes. Not exactly the down of this if, not exactly the down of the if. We need to go after this if, outside of this if. So what we can do here, just one tab here. From here, just write for index. Index is a variable in range. In this, we are writing what length. Length of what? Bodies. Bodies. Length of bodies minus 1. So it means what? Starting point. So what is the meaning of this is length of the bodies. For example, if the length is, it will be counted like 0, 1, 2, 3 indexes, indexing order, right? So if it is 1 minus, for example, if I have 5 numbers, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the fourth place, the fifth number will be there, right? So last thing we are taking here in the starting one, comma 0, comma 0 means what? At the end we are going till end, and how we are going in the negative, like in the reverse direction, negative way we are going. So how the movement will be there? That movement is written with the help of this code. So how the movement of the snake bodies? That's what we are writing here. Now if it is, now x is equal to bodies index minus 1 dot x coordinate. Again here y is equal to bodies index minus 1 y coordinate. Now we need to make the movement of this bodies index dot go to where x comma y. So now what is happening in this, that we need to understand for, like what is, how to write the for syntax for loop. So this is a variable index in range. Range already we have seen that we are using for the numbers. So length of the bodies, whatever the bodies got attached with the snake, minus 1 means from last we are going, to the first, and how we are going in a negative direction. So if this condition is true, if it is true, then what is happening in the x index minus 1, whatever it is we are getting minus 1 dot, it is getting added to this x coordinate, and finally the bodies in the index, it is going where? To the x and y. Have you written
All right, done, sir.
here? One more condition we have to give: length. If the length of the bodies is greater than 0, in this case what should happen of x and y? So x is equal to head dot x coordinate, and similarly with the y also, y is equal to what? Head dot y coordinate. Then bodies 0 means starting dot go to where it has to go, same x comma y. Okay. And finally, what we are calling here, we are calling the move function. Have you written from here to here?
Typing, sir.
Yeah, you're typing, right? Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Done, Chandu?
Done, sir.
Now let's see, is there any error in this? Any error?
No, sir.
Running all good?
For me, not running, sir.
See, for me it started running.
Yes.
Everything is going good. But see, you can see some problems here, right? The tail body, see, it is eating the body, it is eating the food. Score is
Yes, sir.
getting increased.
Yes.
Score is getting increased, but
Huh?
you can see the body. It is not in a one direction, right?
Sir.
Like this is not good. So we need to check. We need to write the code for that also. Yeah. For you, where is the doubt?
I think I mistake in line 95.
95. Like what is the
95.
error? What is the error it is giving?
It's showing that the set y minus 9. The dot set y minus 29. And in
Why?
place of
Means which one? Which section you are talking about? Which line it is? Once you check the line and which code?
this, collision with food. Collision with food, sir.
Yeah.
Collision with food.
Okay. Collision with food.
Yes.
Collision with food. Once you check this code, less than 20 minus 290, 290. Food dot go to.
I type same code.
Hmm?
Same code, sir.
Same code.
Yes, sir. But here I am getting many errors, sir.
Many errors. Okay. Share the screen once. Hmm. What is the error?
In place of 95. Not set at the dot set y minus 29.
Okay. So 95. Show me the 95 code.
Yes. 95. Yes, sir.
Hmm. Head the dot set y. See, here it is minus 290. Why two? Why three times 290, 290? Total how many if we have? Four if you have used.
Yes, sir.
Like you are on the main while loop, right?
Sir.
So now here, if is there, if this is greater than 290, it is minus. Okay. Then if it is less than minus 290, na, it is in the second if,
Sir,
minus 290.
here
That,
minus only.
in the third, in the second if 290. Okay, that's correct. Again, in the third one, minus, minus you have written correct. And in the fourth one, what you have to write is less than minus 290. And set y is 290.
Cost 29.
Now you execute once. Resolve.
Not moving, sir.
Yeah.
Not moving, sir, snake.
No, like you click on the up arrow once, up arrow, down arrow. We have in the keyboard, na, up arrow, down arrow,
Sir, not
moving, right?
moving.
Up arrow, down arrow. Once you click, it's moving, right? The foot is moving,
Yes,
I guess. No, no, not foot. Snake only is moving. Moving or not?
we struck everything.
Stuck. It got stuck.
Yes, sir. Slowly moving. Okay.
Slowly, it's moving. Okay, okay. But it's moving, right?
Yes, sir.
Now still we did not have completed the code now. So
Yes, sir.
let's come back to the code once.
But can we list the school name, place of home?
Now we are going to write all those.
Okay.
Hmm. Highest score. Okay, fine. Now you can stop the sharing. We'll write the code. After that, we'll check. But now the snake is moving, right? So where we have written. So we have given the
Taking
move
length
command.
of the body up to move.
This move we are calling after move. After move, what we need to do is we need to check the collision with the. So let's see here. What we are doing? Check collision. Collision. We are checking the collision with what? Snake body. Snake body. So for that what we need to do? We need to again use what? For loop. For body is a variable in bodies. Bodies means already we know we are collecting in an empty list. If body dot.
Sir, your screen not sharing. Not sharing screen.
Oh, I have forgot to share the screen. Okay. Now it is. Is it is it visible?
Yeah, yes, sir. But I'm getting still errors in line 87, sir.
7. What is the error?
Again, 87.
What is the error?
Yes. File error. Just dot update it saying something.
Okay, so we have only less line of code. We'll write that one. After that, we'll work on the error. Okay. Or else I will give you this code. You can copy and you can try to check where you are finding going wrong. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, because it's already too much of time. So now
Yes,
here,
sir.
if we are giving what? If body distance. If body dot distance in this head is where less than 20. This is the condition. In this case, what we need to write is we need to take the time. Time should not move that much fast. Sleep for 1 second. Again, after this, head dot go to 0, 0, head dot direction is equal to stop. Stop. So up to here, what we have done is collision with the snake body. Now we are going to hide some bodies. So up to now the bodies were shown, right? That I don't want to see that kind of body. So what we are going to do here is hiding the bodies. Here, hide bodies. So to hide the body, what we are using for body in bodies, and we are using the hide function ht. Hide the turtle. The meaning is now here bodies dot clear. We are clearing everything. Now after this, once it is done, we need to work on the score also. So score is equal to 0. Delay 0.1. In displaying the score, what should be the delay? Now here we are updating the scoreboard. Update scoreboard. Now here, what is this SB?
Scoreboard.
You are also typing along with me?
Yes, sir. Typing, sir.
Okay, good. Now, SB dot clear, we cleared. Now SB dot write in this score colon empty braces highest score colon empty braces. This is formatting dot format in this score comma score comma highest. Now after this, now what we need to do is time dot sleep delay. So we are passing the delay in the sleep, like how much delay it should be. Now after this, what we are doing, what I'm going to do is yes dot. I'm ending the loop. This is how we do end the loop. Up to here you have written.
Yes, sir. Writing.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Now let's see whether it is working or not. When it is colliding with the food, what is happening? Yes.
Using the side.
size is increasing and scoreboard is also getting updated, right? For example, if I wanted to get out, like how we can, so if I'm colliding with myself, yeah, so in this case I'm getting error. What is the error I'm getting? Highest score. So some name error is there already. What is that name error here? In the line 133 score, this 133 highest score is HEI. Highest score here also. Here also I need to write what? Highest score. Yeah. That part I missed. Highest score. Yes. CORE score. Now let's see. For you it's working.
Not working.
What is the error you are getting? For me all the direction it is working, but for me the problem is it is showing like arrow mark, but it should not show as arrow mark. So that's what I need to check it out. It should be like a total. Now let me, what I wanted is I wanted to collide to myself. The snake has to collide to itself. Now what happened? See, this is what I was looking. So highest score is what? 70.
So,
Yeah, again I am playing. So this time what? The score becomes 10. But highest score got updated, right?
sir, 71.
So that's what, it was not working earlier, but now it's working. So it is all fine. But here the problem is with what? With the body. So that's what I need to find out, and that's what you can take it as a homework. Okay, try to check where we are going wrong, and I will be sharing you this code.
I'll share it in
Yeah.
Python Union group also.
Hmm?
Python Union group.
Okay, okay. Sure. I will share it in the group, Python group. So just check. We have done with what? Increasing. We have given what? We have not given the shape right here. Body shape only we have not given. That's the reason. Like, let me give here body dot
uh,
shape.
Shape triangle. Sorry, square.
Where- Now let's see whether it is working all good or not. Perfect.
Yes,
Now the issue got resolved. Yes.
yes,
Earlier it
sir.
was earlier it was like an arrow mark, right?
Yes,
But
pointer.
now, pointer it was. But now it is perfectly working, and this is what our snake game we finally done. So how much time it took for us?
Nearly 2 hours. So 1 hour, 15 minutes. 1.5
It is
hour.
working perfectly, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, for example, if I wanted to make it this as a circle, then
In place of shape, you can keep that.
Circle.
Yeah.
See that circle got attached.
Yes.
Two circles got attached. So even for the food also, I wanted to make it a circle. Can we do that food?
Yes, sir.
Where is the food?
Yes, sir. Food. Food. 23. 20.
23. Yeah. Increase the score. Collision with food. Scoreboard.
Yeah.
Food.
Square in place. Yeah.
Circle. This food is circle, and also I wanted that head also circle. So this is what? This looks like a snake. Somewhat better than the square, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is working all good. So I will be sharing you this code, and if you even if you are getting any doubts, you can let me know. You can share the screenshots. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So overall, what we have learned today?
Learn about how to create a snake game. And
Yeah. So
we
this
have
is this I'm going to upload on my YouTube channel also.
same like that one.
So I'm just stopping the recording. So I guess we are done.
Yes, sir. Done.